Hello friends, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can set up your DVWA environment lab. So for that, go to Google Chrome. Over here, first of all, if you want to set up your DVWA lab, you first need to install XAMPP. That is, type this and hit enter. Open the first link. You can install XAMPP for Windows, for Linux or for Mac. Depending upon your laptop, you can select either of three. So as I'm using Windows, so I'll download this one. It has started downloading. The main motive of installing XAMPP is to create a local web server for testing purposes. That's why we are using XAMPP. So after the installation of XAMPP, you need to also download DVWA files. So go to Google and type DVWA, open the first link and download the folder. So after the completion, unzip the file. Now you need to copy this folder and paste this folder in C drive, XAMPP folder under htdoc subfolder. After copying, rename this folder as DVWA. Inside you will find all these files. Now, before starting off with your DVWA, open your config folder and you will see a file over here, namely config.inc.php.dist. Now you have to rename this file and remove .dist part. Now open this file. Over here you will see the password db_password. Remove this password, and also default security level is impossible. Change this to low. One more thing, whenever you will start with DVWA testing lab, first open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL. Over here you will see that MySQL port is 3306. So change this DB port to the same 3306 in case it's not same. Now open Mozilla Firefox and type the following command: localhost your port number 8081/DVWA and hit enter. Now what you need to do is to create and reset database. As you're using it for the first time, you have to create the database. So click on create database, and also note that this part that you can also use this to reset the administration credentials. That is, your username will be admin and password will be password at any stage. Now click on create and reset database. Finally, our database has been created. User table were created, data inserted into user and tables. Now go to the following page and over here enter the details. Username is admin and password is password. Now login. Voila! Finally, you have created your DVWA database, and now you can test the applications and vulnerabilities that we will be discussing in the upcoming modules. So thank you for watching this video.